Once there was a farmer. He lived in one room of a small hut with his wife and her mother-in-law and three small children. He worked hard on his farm all day. He came home at night. The noises in his house drove him crazy. His wife talked to him. His mother-in-law talked to him. His three small children talked to him. The poor farmer put his hands over his ears and cried.
Please, be quiet. Please, all of you.
At last, in desperation, he asked the advice of a wise man.
What should I do? The noise is driving me crazy.
Will you follow my advice?
The wise man asked.
Yeah.
The farmer answered.
Good.
The wise man said,
Go home and bring one cow into the house with you.
Alarmed, the farmer asked, The cow in the house? How can that help?
Well, if you don't want my advice.
the wise man said. So the farmer went home and brought the cow into his house. Exclaimed his wife.
Cow in the house?
Said his mother-in-law.
The cow in the house?
Said the children. And they all said it at once.
The cow in the house?
The poor man just held his head and cried out.
Too much noise. Quiet, all of you.
The wise man asked.
Well, how is it?
While they talk, the cow moved. It's terrible.
Good. You have a dog?
Two of them.
Good. Tonight bring the dogs in the house too.
Advised the wise man, and the farmer shouted in dismay.
The cow, the dogs in the house, how could that help?
Well, if you don't want my advice.
Said the wise man. The farmer went home and brought the two dogs into the house too.
Well, how is it now?
Terrible. I cannot last another night like this.
All right.
Said the wise man.
Now listen with care. Tonight, go home and be sure to put the cow back in the barn.
The farmer did, and while there were still a lot of noise, at least there were cows was not there to ruin him. Back to the wise man again, and the wise man asked.
How is it?
Better, night before.
Good. Tonight, go home and be sure to put the two dogs back into the barn.
Tonight there was a lot of noise, but at least there was no cow moving or no dogs barking.
And the farmer did.
Now, no cow moving at him, no dogs barking, no roosters crowing, no hens squeaking. It was wonderful.
The next night he went back to the wise man, who asked again.
How is it now?
Said the farmer in a very happy voice.
Better night before. It was so quiet, no barking, no cackling, no cockadoodle.
Good. I told you it will be better.
Said the wise man with satisfaction in his voice. And the farmer went home. His wife and mother-in-law and three children said, The farmer only smiled to himself, for without the cow and the two dogs and the rooster and hens, their voice seemed very quiet indeed.
Fire up loud and crank the
The
lever
end.
up. Throttle down for what?